In this guide, I'm going to show you how to increase your FPS and fix lag and ping here on Universal Tower Defense X on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, what you need to do is open up the game and you need to go specifically to your Roblox graphic settings. If you open up just these settings right here, you're not going to see any graphic settings. So what you need to do is actually go immediately to your Roblox settings. So select the Roblox logo, go to settings, and then scroll down on here and find display and graphics. And there's a few things you want to adjust. First, make sure that you have full screen mode on. Then scroll down on here. And what I'd recommend turning on first is your frame rate. Adjust that to whatever the max your monitor can actually go ahead and provide. So for example, if you have like a 240 hertz monitor, you're going to want to put 240 FPS. For graphics quality, you're going to want to turn this down a little bit. It might make the game look a little bit worse. And it might make things pop in and out, but you'll like significantly reduce your, higher ping by turning this down just like so. And of course, you'll also go ahead and get more FPS. As long as you adjust those two things, you should be fine. If you're still having issues, you need to go ahead and leave the game. So just hit that Roblox logo, hit leave, back out, and then rejoin, because that'll put you in a server closer to where you're currently located, which will of course prevent lag as well. But that's the full process. It really is as simple as that. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.